Hi, I'm Stacy. I work with JDS Industries and I'm one of the sublimation specialists. I help with all the sublimation needs, from if it's a printer issue to time and temp with a product and to just simple design issues that a client might be struggling with. All of us sublimation people all have graphic design background, and that's very helpful when you're doing design work. And a lot of clients just jumping into Corel or other design programs might not know certain things, and so they're just having issues, so they'll call us just asking for assistance to make something quicker for them. The best thing a customer has ever said to me is that you are awesome and you have wonderful patience, and I appreciate that. Definitely the best part of my job is working with our amazing clients. We have so many just wonderful clients. They're so appreciative of the support they get from us. It's enjoyable every day.